Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。等一下，其实有很多用法哈。有一种是说 Wait a minute， 等一下哦，但是也有等一下要干嘛，或等一下谁会回来之类的。OK， When you say 等一下 ，it could mean wait a minute, but in this scenario, we're gonna teach you again about later. How do you say 等一下？
等一下，
等一下，
或者可以说等下。
OK， 等下。我们打电话有时候，那个人不在位置上，可能会说，等一下我再回 call 回电话等等这样子。我们来一个这样子的一个状况好了，好不好？Is Miss Lin there？ 请问林小姐有在吗？
请问林小姐有在吗？
有在吗？就是有在吗 ？OK， that means 有在吗 means is that person there？ 林小姐就是小姐了哈。那如果先生嘞？
林先生。
先生 ，OK，if it's 先生 is Mr，and then 小姐 is Miss。All right， 他现在不在位置上哦，你要留电话给他吗 ？That's usually the response, right? When someone answers the phone, if she's not there, she's not here at her desk right now. Do you want to leave a message？
記呀哈，冇 TV 嘅空哦，唔愛聊花，本期莫
OK, break it down. 記呀哈，
就是他現在
Right now she
冇 TV 嘅空哦，
不在位置上，對不對？
對
Not at her desk, 冇 TV 嘅空哦，
唔愛聊花
唔愛聊花就是 you want to leave a message？
本期莫
给他吗？是这样，本期莫 OK, that means to her. 那回答可能是没关系，我等一下再打给他啦。It's okay, I'll call back later.
冇關係，
冇關係，
我等一下，張哥打本期
哦，張哥大本期就是再打給他。OK, that means to call her later or call him later. 張哥大本期。Let's review some of these vocabulary like 有在嗎 Is she there? Is he there?
有在嗎
OK, 這是打電話或者是敲門都可以。有在嗎Right? And how about leave a message? 留話 OK, that means I'll leave a message. Or it's okay, 沒關係啦。
冇關係
啦Alright? It's all about later, OK? 等一下再做這個事情，等一下再打電話回來，等一下怎麼說？
等一下或者是等下。
好的，那大家都知道怎麼用咯。That is today's Practical Hakka。
什麼太嘎？
案子誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.